Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is running a business if you have a family.
So this is something that we care quite a bit about and we know a good deal of. So we have 3 children and they are all under the age of 18, guaranteed.
Younger than 10 actually.
Yeah,
They're all
younger than 10. So, you know, our oldest is going to be 8 this year in August. Yep. It gets kind of tricky running a business and having a family. One of the biggest things that I think we have found that has helped us to be able to run a business, and we've gotten this question a lot, haven't we? Like, how do you all keep it together? Like, your hustle must be insane. Like, people have accused me of not sleeping and like things like that. I do sleep, and I do sleep really well. She sleeps. She could sleep for 24 hours straight if she needed it.
I need my beauty sleep.
Things like that. But one of the things that we have found that help is, you know, we try to get our kids involved. We don't put them up so much out on public display, so to speak, but, you know, we do like get them involved on the back end, you know, and give them rewards for helping mom and dad out with stuff. They're getting old enough now that they can do some sweeping of the house and they can do some chores and things like that. That they can help, and they know whenever we're filming and stuff, and they know to be quiet, you know, and they're like, you know, for just the video side of things. But you know, if you need that quiet time, you just need to ask your kid, you know, like, hey, mommy from this time to this time needs quiet so I can run the business, and they start conceptualizing that. Yeah,
definitely. Communication is key. If you do have a family, yes, you can run a business. You don't have to do it all by yourself either. You don't have to feel like I need to separate myself from my family so I can get work done. It doesn't need to be that way. You know, you can make it a whole family involvement thing where perhaps, you know, each person has their own unique strengths and they can contribute something no matter what level they're at.
Yeah, and don't isolate your spouse either. I'm going to be a big one on that. You know, sometimes what I want to do in the business, I want to do very quickly, and I want it to be done like now. And then, you know, then I bring it down on Jess, like, hey, we're going to do this, we're going to knock this out by this evening. And then she's like, hello, like, we've got dishes to do, we've got laundry, you know, like, the kid's been puking all day upstairs. I didn't know I was outside, you know, or whatever. And you know, and she can feel quite isolated. You know, you've felt isolated before, and I felt isolated before. Like I was just trying to pull all the weight myself. You know, so don't isolate your spouse off. Work hand in hand with them. If you have a spouse and if you have kids, get them on board too as well. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.